Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Today's DIY project, we're going to be putting together a Phi Villa EO2GMO13 umbrella assembly. It comes in one box, about 38 pounds or so, and we're going to put this thing together, help you guys understand how to assemble it so you're not sitting at home with it in a box for 3-4 months like this one has been. Carefully cut the box open it up, do a parts inventory. Set all the parts out, make sure we got everything on the list. Here's the parts list. You got that piece, there's one of them. You got this piece, there's one of those. You got these washers, there's 4 of those. You got these moon plastic pieces, there are 4 of those. So on and so forth. So that's everything laid out down there. 4 bolts, 4 washers, tools, all these things are laid out. So it looks like we got everything. Go to your local garden center and get, they say sand, because sand doesn't allow airspace. It fills in all the airspace, but you want to fill up these bags with about 60-65 pounds a piece. So I decided to get some pea gravel to weigh in. I put a half a bag in each one. Then I'm going to try to fit a bag of this sand in there. These sand bags weigh about 60 pounds a piece. I imagine that pea gravel weighs about the same, but it would take up more space trying to get 65 pounds in. So that's what I did. You could just get these play sand. These things are about $5 a piece. The first step is take A, put it on the ground, put B over top of it. We're building the base. This piece here with the small hole is A. We're putting B over top of that like this. There you are. Nice and easy. Next, we're going to take the pole and put it on top of it, put 4 bolts in it with the tool that you have supplied. Set this pole on there, and you start the screws with your finger. You don't tighten any of them until you have all 4 going in. Take it, put the washer on there. You can move it around, jiggle it around a little bit if you need to. See how that's not lined up, but you can move it around because none of them are tight. Get all 4 going. Make sure they're all lined up. And once you got them all 4 started in by hand, then you tighten them. See, if that was tight, you couldn't move it like that. So, not lined up like that. With them loose, you can line them up. Get all 4 started. Now snug them down with the tool you have. The tool that you have is such a lightweight tool, it'll prevent you from over tightening them. Next thing we're going to do is slide these corner pieces on. They just slide on, snap in place. Then after that, we're going to put these brackets on, and they slide in, snap in place. That'll build your base, make it look like this. It's got that opening there, shaped just like that. So you get that on there like that, and just push it on all 4 corners. So you take these, slide them on top of those channels like that, and all 4 of these corners. Space this stuff out right. Lock it down in place. Do that, all 4. Next, you're going to need sand. These are actually sand bags. You place those in there like that. You open up this Velcro. Fill that up with 65 pounds of sand, 1 on each side. So place this where you want it, on your deck or whatever. Put those sandbags in place, fill them up. Now, of course, you can pick those sandbags up 65 pounds, but you may want to do it close to where you're going to have your umbrella, because you don't want to be carrying 65 pounds around too far. So we're going to put this on the deck where we're going to have it, and we're going to load up those sandbags. After the sandbags are full, you want to take your base cover and put it on through the pole hole. And then it has metal hooks on the cover to hook it under there so it doesn't blow around and stuff like that. Then after that, you got your pole. Let's go ahead and show you how to put the pole on there. The pole just slides in the hole. It's got a flat part that goes down in here, slides down, and you adjust the height of it with the 2 screws that you have for there. Put it in as height and then lock it down. Then your umbrella piece screws in there. So we'll do that next. Half a bag of pea gravel, bag of sand. You can weigh it if you want. I'm not going to. I'm going to take it and put it up in there in the base to weigh the base down. Toss the bags in the base. Then take that cover there, put it over the top. Got a hole in it. And it's got hooks down on the bottom. Actually, we got to take these screws out first. Had these screws sit in the holes. Now you can put the little base skirt down. Got hooks on there. You can hook it in place so it can continue to look nice. And then you put your umbrella on and adjust the height by tightening these screws at whatever height you want it at. Screw that in. You could do it in or out of the base. We're going to open the umbrella and make sure we got it positioned where we need it, and then adjust the height and put those screws in to lock the height in. There it is, folks. We got it locked in. We got it the height we wanted. We raised it about 8 inches. You crank it open clockwise. You'll hear it clicking while you crank it until the center pad gets above the hole. Then you stick the support pin in the hole all the way through. Then you lower the umbrella onto the pin. You want the weight of the umbrella on the pin, not on your retraction cables. That's where we're at. All done. Ready to enjoy. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.